Ever wondered if love feels different for men and women? We often hear about the romantic, poetic side of love, but what's actually happening inside our brains when we fall head over heels for someone? It turns out that neuroscience has some fascinating answers. The intricate dance of hormones and neurotransmitters paints a complex picture, revealing subtle yet significant differences in how male and female brains experience attraction and attachment. Let's dive into the science behind love and explore whether it truly looks different through the lens of a male or female brain. We'll be looking at MRI studies and the key chemical players that orchestrate this powerful emotion. When we talk about the initial spark of attraction, the can't eat, can't sleep phase of romance, we're really talking about a massive surge of dopamine. This is the brain's primary reward chemical, the same one that gets activated by delicious food or a satisfying workout. It's the molecule of motivation and craving. When you meet someone you're intensely attracted to, your brain's reward circuits light up like a festival. This dopamine rush is what makes you feel euphoric, energetic, and completely fixated on the object of your affection. Both male and female brains are flooded with dopamine during this early stage. It's what drives the obsessive thinking and the intense desire to be near that special person. It's the universal fuel of romantic love, creating that powerful, all-consuming feeling. However, studies using functional MRI scans, which measure brain activity by detecting changes in blood flow, have started to uncover some intriguing nuances. While both genders experience this dopamine high, the specific brain regions that become most active can differ. Some research suggests that in men, the initial stages of attraction are more strongly linked to visual processing areas of the brain. When a man sees someone he finds attractive, there can be a more pronounced activation in the visual cortex. This might align with the evolutionary perspective that males were historically conditioned to assess potential partners based on visual cues related to health and fertility. The brain quickly processes these visual signals, triggering the dopamine reward system and creating that feeling of love at first sight. This isn't to say that visual attraction isn't important for women, but the neural emphasis appears to be slightly different. The male brain seems to have a more streamlined, visually driven initial response system when it comes to attraction. For women, the process might be a bit more complex from the get-go. While visual cues certainly play a role, fMRI studies have shown that female brains tend to